She is not a disappointment, bro. Come on.
Dead ass, bro. I'm already looking at this shit, and they're like, "Stay tuned." I was like, "Oh, we're saying Smash Bros. Shit," but and I was like, "They're probably just capping." And I was like, "Oh wait, fuck! It's on the screen where it's like saying Nintendo Direct." So I was like, "Oh, okay." So it's gonna be all that shit, huh?
Yeah, it's an hour.
Yeah, 50 minutes, bro. Don't worry, I didn't need that anyway. I wasn't using those 50 minutes for anything productive. I promise you.
Me too, bro. Hold on. Hopefully, there's a new Sonic representative. That's what I'm really hopeful for.
You know. Look. I'm a man of dreaming. All right. I'm a man of dreaming. You know. I'm a man of dreaming. That's all I can say.
Saying it's unlikely.
Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Look, if they're gonna do that, bro, you know what I'm looking for, bro. You know, I'm looking for that 06 Part 2. Okay.
6 Part 2.
I'm not. I bet some people are gonna probably crucify me for that, but that's fine. I'm ready to get crucified.
I am going to crucify you.
No,
I'll take 06 2, then crucify me.
Oh, here we go. Here we
You know
go.
what they're gonna do, bro?
Is it already starting?
Yeah, it's
Fuck,
starting.
My shit lag.
My
shit's lag behind. Yeah, my TV is gonna be lag behind a little bit. So, yes.
But you know what they're gonna do, though, right?
Oh yeah,
They
just
do 2 of 06. They're gonna have to erase the game from the canon.
That's fine. That's fine. I mean, it just at least in the play style of it, you know. That's what I'm mostly.
Here we go.
Is it on?
Yep.
It's Monster Hunter. Oh wait, no, it's Xenoblade.
Wait, no, not actual game.
Hold on, like, all right. Before we do anything, some of us are lag behind. So let's.
Oh boy.
It's Rex. Toby's
Don't think.
That's what it is.
All I gotta say is be careful, cause I am lagged all the way behind. Okay. So,
Either this is a sequel to 2. No, this is.
I need to my quiz up here.
Yeah. What the fuck am I looking at?
Tell me this is Rex Smash. Or if this is Xenoblade Part 2.
My nigga, it didn't even do the Smash logo. Hold on.
Yeah, it's looking like Part 2.
Yeah, calm it down.
No, this is different from 1.
Who couldn't you find, my boy?
Alright.
Oh damn, that lightning effect looks really nice.
This is a completely different game, right?
Yeah, this is Xenoblade 2.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a sequel to 2.
Oh shit, yeah.
Ow!
Hey, I'm here for it.
Look, man, that means that I'm look. I'm chilling. I'm a-okay with this, bro. Just go ahead. Throw all that shit at me, dude.
I'm sorry for you. Yes! Yes!
Oh, hello!
Yes!
Oh my gosh!
Yes!
What?
Jesus!
Yes! Yes!
Fuck
Oh, damn.
Yes! Let's go!
Yes!
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
I'm actually.
I was not expecting this! Bro! I thought we were getting a sequel for 2!
Okay. Damn, my fucking shit is.
Yo,
That is out of left field!
That transition, though.
Ooh.
You can hit us with a fake. My golly.
That's why they didn't give us Rex, because we got his Mii costume.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Where's Metro?
Oh, she probably has vision like which.
Now, is it gonna be different skins, or is that gonna be like her down B or something?
No, it looks
Oh,
like
okay.
I can barely hear you, Connor.
Oh yeah, it's that chick with the. Okay.
That's probably the comeback mechanic. Yeah. Either that or actually.
Bro, this is the one thing I didn't want. Another anime sword fighter. Oh my god, bro.
Fire Emblem Friends! I'm just kidding. It's just Xenoblade. Chill.
These are different. Yeah, hold on. Is it Echo?
It might be.
Oh god.
No, I don't think it's an Echo.
Yeah.
The moveset, yeah. It's like Sheik and Zelda in
She
Brawl.
was a spirit beforehand, wasn't she?
Okay, no. It's... Okay, so it's like Pokemon Trainer.
Oh.
Oh,
Damn, look how quick that shit comes out.
Fine.
I love this. I love this.
Who the fuck are you? Oh, you're a man of a fucking platform. You're a man and a platform. You're both. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, me costume. What are you doing here?
Oh, she summons Rex! Yes! Yes, my boy!
Oh, if they don't announce Sonic, bro, I swear to God, bro. Another Sonic.
That is great.
Hold on a second, bro.
That is great.
Get some ass, bro.
Never expected to see you two again.
The one thing I want.
Oh, hi, Shul.
But you're in Smash. I won't go easy on you.
Dumbass, he's already in Smash. Now that you're in Smash with your British accent.
I'm glad. Another Xenoblade rap. That's good. That's good.
Sonic, bro.
Huh?
Please
I love
announce
this.
Sonic.
Fucking announce.
Xenoblade 2 Chronicles
Hello
2.
everyone. It's been a while. I'm Shinya Takahashi from Nintendo.
Not what I expected, but I'm satisfied.
I'm not satisfied. It's another Sword
Last
Fighter.
year, we delivered
I mean,
news through a
I'm
series
so
of
happy.
Nintendo Direct mini presentations.
My God, I am chilling, dude.
However,
Just throw some hype shit at me, that's all I ask.
A Nintendo Direct in this style
Anything hype, bro, I'm chilling with. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, there goes.
Also, don't make me waste any more money than I have to. Low-key, actually, no, I don't want anything hype.
Do you think we could possibly get 2 reveals?
Chat are either crying tonight or just happy as fuck. One or the other.
No, there are people in the middle. There are people in the middle.
I'm not seeing that in chat.
What you just saw
You're not seeing that in chat?
Nah.
I mean, niggas might be hyped though, because Xenoblade, I know a lot of people play it.
Yeah,
that is release Crash, you cowards.
Nah, I'm chilling. I told you, bro, I wasn't. Bro, I wasn't even getting hyped for it, because I was like, I know how it is, bro. But it's chilling though.
All right, let's continue.
Another goddamn
Nintendo Switch headlines.
Look,
Alright, some
I'll
headlines.
take a Xenoblade character.
Fall Guys, of course. Took them long enough.
What's happening? Oh, Fall Guys! What the fuck are you doing, you nasty ass fucking oranges? The fuck are you here for?
Please give me Sonic.
Get off the screen!
See, I
Shut up.
Fuck up, you little gremlins! You're nasty as shit!
Bro, I always get excited to see Fall Guys into a new system, bro. But then I remember that the game.
Oh, I'm sorry, I should do my hype voice. Oh, Fall Guys! Oh, it's pretty! Oh, season 2!
System, summer 2021.
Not entirely. It did die down though. It's kind of like a month.
22 minutes before the
Yeah, pretty much.
system is
It's
destroyed.
Oh.
Like, when you go to a new system, I just remember that it actually costs money and it wasn't
space
free on
uncover
big.
the
I really thought that was Ari for a minute, and I almost had a panic attack.
You thought it was what?
have 22
It
minutes.
thought that was Ari.
On everything.
Adi?
Or Amari.
Oh.
Is that fucking Amari? What the fuck?
Oh no, Amori.
So what am I looking-
coming on the Switch.
Amore is one of my predictions because it was supposed to be coming to the Switch earlier, but it got delayed.
Information
You think?
What, Fall Guys?
Yeah, it's been delayed. It was supposed to come out 2020.
I'll like
by repeating
I mean,
these
that's-
cycles. You'll gradually
I
unravel
mean, I'd be here for
the
it.
hidden
time for
game
like
universe.
promotion or not really like existing.
What
the Outer
messages will
Worlds
you
original
discover?
Switch?
How can you prevent the sun from exploding?
They're not
The solar
anime.
system trapped in an endless time loop.
Yeah, big guys
Find out.
John, are you bitching about anime sword fighters?
2021.
Yeah, he's bitching
Too
about MS Sword Fighters.
bad! Too bad! That's not Sakurai's problem!
Too bad.
That's not Sakurai's problem! That's not Sakurai's problem!
My ear hole.
Girl who stands
Yeah.
I'm sorry to tell you this. He can add any more to the film fucking anime characters as he wants to. That's not his problem.
Killing us
Modern
small.
Nintendo
Too bad!
suspense,
damn it.
drama,
Did we
And
bitch
you're a
when Kirby
bitch
beat fucking
about that
Galeem with his own doubles?
You'll
No,
be
we said that's Sakurai's
dive
OC.
into these deep narratives
That's Sakurai's OC. He can do what he wants.
That is true. He got-
Alright,
he's the only one that has jurisdiction.
While dealing with
Yeah,
Fuck what everyone else.
Sakurai deems it worthy. All we can do is just say, okay, short father, and that's it.
Honestly, I honestly didn't expect them to because of Rex. I thought it was gonna be Rex.
And the other
Yeah,
game, you'll investigate.
Yeah, I thought if it was gonna be anyone for 2, it would be Rex. But they made him a costume, so I was like, dang. Yeah, and then they still put Rex as a taunt.
I
What
definitely
the fuck
thought this
am I
was
looking at?
The
Ooh,
culprit.
Detective Club!
It's too
Phoenix
late.
Wright, but it's not.
Mm-hmm.
This is not Phoenix Wright. The girl who stands behind. This looks like some fucking
Famicom Detective Club.
bullshit. I mean, it's, yeah.
Uncover the deadly truth in Famicom Detective Club: The Missing
Yeah,
Heir.
we can play this.
Ah, Famicom Red and Famicom Blue.
Better not be a jump.
Pre-order
That better not be a jump
today
scare.
on
Oh, that's
Nintendo
Maple.
eShop.
I think you mean Heart Gold and Soul Silver.
Yo, please port that to here?
Begins.
Fucking sword.
It's so
Fucking black,
separate,
black, two, white, two.
What's this?
Ooh, fire! I like fire.
Fire emblem.
Fire Emblem?
Y'all
Fire
have to
Emblem?
Stop. Y'all have to stop.
Wait,
Wait, it's a consonant. Fire emblem. It's not that.
Fuck.
What is
Fire
this?
Emblem with Japanese symbols, I'll take it.
oh, is this a Warriors game?
Oh, this is definitely Mortars.
It looks like a Warriors game, Dynasty Warriors.
100%.
Or not.
Guilty Gear! Oh shit.
No, it's not Guilty Gear.
Akechi.
I
Akechi.
saw Japanese niggas with swords and I immediately, the first thing in my mind was Guilty Gear.
There was only like 2 sword characters in Guilty Gear.
There you go. Those
Samurai
2
warrior.
sword characters got their own series. Look at that, Samurai Warriors.
And they would never ever have generic anime swords. Bro, they get like mecha blades.
Goku period, as the series now shines the spotlight on Nobunaga Oda.
Yo, so the last 2.
Okay, it's a Warriors game.
We need more anime sword fighters.
Visuals have been
We need
revamped.
more anime sword fighters.
Yo, we already got like 3. We got 4 anime sword fighters in the fucking pack, bro. I'm proud.
Anime sword fighters.
I'm proud. Fuck it, bro. We already got. Look. We need more. We need more. I'm sorry. We need more.
We need more Sonic.
The vast world of fire.
Sonic is a sword fighter. Shut up.
Yeah, we fucking add Sonic in the Black Knight version.
Legend of Zelda.
No, just add silver from that.
Oh no.
No.
You'll set off on a journey to
Square
find a mystical
Enix.
mana.
Just add Shadow's motorcycle. Don't even put Shadow in.
Bitch, I'll cut you.
Just give him a motorcycle and a Glock.
He's assist trophy. He's assist. Shut up. Shut up. He's gone. There's no Shadow for you. You won't be getting Shadow. Shadow is gone.
Fuck it. Add Big the Cat into.
Yeah, add Big the Cat. Add Big.
We are not putting no fucking Big the Cat over Shadow. Fuck is wrong with you evil bitches?
Bro, fuck it.
Oh, fuck up.
Put Big in.
I'll add
The
Cream,
cat when my
bro.
man Shadow's over here
Question.
sitting in the fucking gulag.
Hold on, let me take off this shirt. It's hot.
Nigga said add Big the Cat with fucking.
Add Big the Cat.
No, we're not. Bitch.
Add Cream. Add Cream.
Bro, not even Cream. The fucking
Dude.
the fucking cows.
Bro, do you know how busted she is in Sonic? How busted she is in Sonic Advance?
I don't care. She does.
Ooh, Monster Hunter.
I don't see her with a strap.
Hello, Rathalos.
Chuck and Sam.
Okay, this is
Chuck and Stan.
Yeah,
Chuck and
John,
Sans.
you're definitely like 3 or 5 seconds ahead of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know he is.
Ooh, new Spider Monster. Let's go.
Where's Bayonetta 3? No, I'm telling you, there might be a higher one. Where's Bayonetta 3?
Oh, that design is sick. Actually, I like that. All right, Bosarios.
Big meaty claws.
Please give me back more Gormagala. Get out of here. I don't care about you. Give me Gormagala.
Monster Hunter.
Yeah.
You know what people call Martin Lucina Messina?
Gore, please.
People have called the
Oh, it's Monster
like
Hunter.
the confused name between Pyro and
Ow. Almuder. Is that new?
I've got it spoiled. Honestly,
I don't remember this. Yeah, that's new.
piss on you.
Well, I'm so glad you could freely move around the hub.
The two fucking separate.
Go assemble the villagers.
Yeah. That's not
All right, Rampage.
kind of cute, but it's not like the big portion of the sword. That's just like both of them are not their own. Personally. I'm buying it for your birthday.
You don't. You die.
About to face the biggest challenge yet.
What the heck?
We can't lose this game. Pull yourselves together.
This is tower defense?
Bro, what the fuck am I looking at? Actually, you know what? Yep, this is. Oh, this is on Hunter. Okay, okay.
We said it like 5 times, Lee. Can you not tell between the monsters and the hunting?
No, bro, I've been seeing this shit for a good 2 to 3 minutes and I'm like already lost.
This looks like if Junkenstein's Revenge had a budget.
Apex Arzeros.
I would prefer
Say that.
Pirate not for a bug. Yeah, Rex really did get shafted.
Inoa, we should start preparations.
Oh.
Now,
Is that a new game or is that just Jesus
Jesus
Christ?
Sorry about that. I saw the word Rise. I got so happy.
I'm doing everything.
Wait, what'd you say, Adam?
You know.
Is this a new game or is it like a port coming to Switch?
It's a new
The
game.
new one.
Oh.
March 26th.
Man, Monster Hunter Rise. It has the word Rise at the first beginning of the.
Ooh,
Oh no! I want the controller. No! No!
I'm buying that
No
controller.
cap.
I'm
That's
buying
actually
that controller.
hot. That is real hot.
How will our
Alright,
heroes
for sure, for
fare?
sure.
I'm buying that controller.
I'm gonna get. Come on, man! I don't want to spend money.
Installment.
March
March 26th.
I won't lie. That shit's nice.
Oh, they should have put in a pre-order bundle for Japan. Oh, what's this?
Yo,
Mario Golf Poggers! Let's go!
What?
What's happening?
Mario Golf! Let's go! Yo, give me some online. Yo, honestly, give me some online for this.
We definitely play this together.
Yeah, honestly.
Control that. Everyone gets the work.
How long has it been since the last Mario Golf?
Oh, Bowser got cooked.
Due to slopes.
Of course she would be. She's a filler character. She only gets in that spin-off game.
Give Baby the love she needs anymore. I thought that bitch was gonna
In
be out.
addition to buffs,
She didn't smash. Shut up.
Mario Golf.
controller like
bro,
a
I'm gonna need them to announce Super Mario Galaxy 3, bro. Come on.
definitely not using that.
It's got to be something Mario, Zelda, or Smash at the end of this direct.
Who's paying for Mario? Who's paying?
Yo! This looks sick! This looks sick! No! No!
What the fuck?
Yo! Bro, what?
It's actual gold.
Bro!
Oh damn!
No more teleporting around the course. You actually move. You get buffs and stuff as you go around. Yo!
Mario's on roids. Look at
Oh, fuck the me. No, who cares about them?
What is a me? What is a me?
I better see dry bones in this game. Dry bones and wet bones.
for it? Who's paying for Mario Golf? Who's paying for it?
We got Wario, Mario. I'm gonna have to get it too. I'm pretty sure it's online multiplayer. June 25th. Ooh boy. Ooh boy.
Bro, when stores are open, we're there.
No,
You pre-order now. You pre-order now.
Yeah, pre-order now. Get to the shops. Get to the shops.
Why does it look so clean?
Get to the shops.
Oh,
Get to the shops. Get to the shops. Get to the shops.
That's all we're gonna be screaming at each other. Hit your shot!
Yo, it's like
We're
a
already at eShop right now, bro. Mario Golf, we're there.
it's like a mixture of kart and tennis aces with golf.
Bro, this is 10 times better than tennis aces.
I know.
Bro,
Oh.
no. If they put tennis in here too, I'll probably hype as well.
We already had tennis. We just had tennis.
Hyperion Lackey
Did-
Reese.
Oh, I'm a fu-
Lee, we had a tennis game like 2 years ago.
I have
Oh,
aces.
number 2, bro. Sorry.
This is gonna be 10 times better though.
They say like we have business. Aren't they bankrupt?
bro. Come on, bro. Do that.
I thought.
Okay, this is Borderlands.
I thought Telltale was dead.
I guess not.
Embark on a wild ride.
Bro, it's Mario Golf. What are we being hyped?
Yo, Mario Galaxy, what?
Come on now, Mario Golf.
Capcom Arcade.
Also, my man Luigi had ice powers. Come on now, that's not hot. You can't find that.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
Get 1943, the Battle of Midway for free. Then purchase Game Pass.
Okay.
Standalone.
Okay, what the fuck am I looking at? What is this? What is this shit?
Capcom Arcade.
Co-op play is also available. Scratch that nostalgic itch when Capcom Arcade launches later today.
Oh, later today.
You cannot be.
The Glizzy!
Zombie, you just can't get enough of it.
Oh, it's on the ground!
You'll build your
Oh, it's on the ground!
turning humans into dead allies. Replenish your bodily arsenal.
Why are you chewing on
The ground Glizzy!
Grisly mission. This city
Lizzie
ain't no
consumers?
match for a
Oh, I was about to say something.
What is this?
Rebel without a pulse.
I was about to say something. I caught myself a little bit.
What is this game? It looks interesting, honestly.
Nintendo eShop.
Was it really?
Yeah?
No. We got black and white arcade aesthetics, my dude.
Travis touchdown.
Ooh.
Assassins.
Huh?
That guy did a full-on
Ooh.
dolphin dive.
No more heroes?
Aliens have invaded Earth. Hold up. Is this
Oh,
even the
Travis.
right game?
Is that Travis Scott? Travis
Anyway,
Scott, bro?
Travis
after
Scott!
annihilating an entire city, the aliens have
No more heroes?
now host an intergalactic superhero ranking tournament to decide Earth's fate. As the crass beam katana wielding assassin Travis Touchdown, you'll need to fight your way to the
Ooh,
top.
I need to peep Instagram and see how many people are crying that Dante's not in.
Hey, not so fast.
That's true.
Boss fight,
Damn,
enough to pay off the entry fee. You'll then face off against a slew of unusual opponents. Most of them aliens have some crazy tricks up their sleeves. Study their tactics carefully to gain the upper hand in combat.
I've lost all hype.
Ooh.
and hope
The
for
new
this
and improved
direct,
death blow
bro.
will have access to highly deadly skills that can be customized and upgraded
Wait, what?
for each match.
I need another Galaxy game, bro.
So
Yo.
get ready to kick some
I mean, if they're gonna say anything like that, it's gonna be at the end.
Anyway,
Better.
it all makes
Or this
sense.
shit is-
When no more heroes
But I doubt we're getting another Galaxy.
or, you know,
I mean, I'll be down for a
Nintendo
Galaxy
Switch,
free look.
August
I need to get a
Super Mario Galaxy 3.
Galaxy was a
Exterminate
pog,
demons
though, not
in
gonna lie.
hell.
That was a whole banger, like both of them.
Yeah, for real, for real.
Yo, can we see Odyssey Part 2?
Ooh, what's this?
Yo, if I see Odyssey Part 2, I'm straight up,
Oh,
my
we
entire
get
body is imploded.
Ooh, what is this?
get hyped.
Oh, it's a run and gun game.
My nigga, you got Persona 2?
But Soul Cards.
Oh, that's that new Sonic Elite.
Ah, Doom Mini. Doom Mini. I see.
Don't do that to Thong Unleash. Don't do that to
Bro,
Thong.
look at it though. It's like a boost game, bro. Look at it.
What?
It looks nice, but like, it's probably one of those games that look nice, and then I'll play it for 2 minutes, and then I immediately put it right back down.
No, hold on, bro. Don't disrespect,
It's just
bro.
the amount of people spamming Persona 3 in the UK.
Wait, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah. Specifically, the third one. That
Come with the
release
boost
on the
mechanic.
Pro, that's just gonna be an implosion.
Which game?
Neon White.
Damn, them buddy bitches looking kind of bad though.
Uncover Heaven's Mysteries in Neon White. Coming to Nintendo Switch.
Steve's
Winter
an
2021.
Steve's an anime for fire. Shut up.
DC Super
Oh yeah, bro, that fucking.
What is this? What is this?
That pickaxe do be hitting different though.
What is this?
Ooh.
What is this?
What the fuck am
What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
What the fuck am I looking at, dude?
Look at these games,
What
bro.
type of Disney looking ass shit is this?
Who's voice actor?
An Amazonian warrior who wields the lasso
I'm asleep.
along with
I'm asleep.
Direct over, guys. Yeah, I'm sleeping. Good night, bro. Damn, it's already past. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning, bro. That ass?
Nah, the fact that the female superheroes went from advertisements to having a video game on Switch, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. No, it's not even that, bro. Look at this entire gameplay, bro. It's fucking
Look at this. God, I'm so excited for this game, dude. Like, you get to play with
I'm
My God,
so
look,
excited.
I'm watching. I'm looking like I'm watching Barbie Girl's Adventure right now, bro. What the fuck am I looking at? You know?
Bro, I'd rather watch Boruto.
Oh no, something really bad is threatening the city. Oh no.
Just gotta make sure no one figures
Oh, I wanna.
Yo, you know on that fucking building was probably mad expensive too.
Team Power. Heroically sourced onto Nintendo Switch.
Dog, these games are.
This game is literal doo-doo water.
Ready to
I need an Nintendo Direct with no filler. No
What's
filler,
this?
please. I just need to see.
Oh, Plants vs Zombies.
How long are these?
Please give me an Odyssey 2, Mario Galaxy 3. Maybe Sunshine 2.
Plant
Maybe
vs
that's
Zombies. My God.
Maybe Sunshine 2. I'll even take that.
I need to see how far in depth I'm gonna be. I need you to stop fucking around with these fucking filler ass shits. Okay.
Say how far he wanna be in. Oh, he's gonna be dead.
I don't need filler right now. I need to know how far in depth I'm gonna be.
It's gonna be broke. Okay, I feel you.
I'm trying to figure out. Yes, bro. Like, am I gonna be broke? Like, I'm looking in the clear right now, bro. I don't see anything entertaining at all. So I might be walking around like debt free. Might be. I mean, Mario Golf. Don't get me wrong, bro. That's like a couple of 70s down the drain, but like
70s. That's a lot, bro.
Yeah, it might be a lot, you know, but like 70 on one game shouldn't be too bad.
This Overwatch 2.
Team Fortress, bro. That's that new Team Fortress, you know?
Could never happen.
Probably better than Overwatch.
It really could not, bro. That shit is gone.
Are they seriously?
Oh my god, they're bringing it back.
Is this my
They brought it back. They brought it back.
Why?
No
Why did you bring it
fucking way.
back?
From the 3DS? Oh,
Yes, from the 3DS.
Why?
Now watch them make us pay for it this time.
did y'all see that? Mysterious Dark Lord stand.
Bro, I need to get like so goddamn hype. I gotta be like,
Again,
What is this? I need to get 3DS or something?
I feel bad for Rex.
Whoever's Nevis must be drunk.
Consider spending some quality time without strength and bond.
Yeah.
You saw it.
Yeah, I did.
You saw it. Okay. I had to make sure I wasn't the only person that saw that. That is fucking disgusting.
What happened?
One of the me's.
You can have a horse.
What happened? The thing at the ending.
That sounds
The thing at the end.
Prepare for it, and it'll
I had to make sure I wasn't the only one that saw that. That's disgusting as hell. Ew, that run animation? God, no.
this is a new Pokemon game, bro. Look.
Oh.
This is not Pokemon, my dude.
Yo, that's Pokemon Black and White remake. Let's fuck it up.
Why is it look more? Why did the Mii's look more appeased than the last game? The last game they were fucking like going through it. Now they're just like, yeah, friendship.
Oh, Mario.
Oh no!
I can become Luigi. It's time.
Hey, Luigi.
Familiar items like the super mushroom and the
I'm surprised this wasn't in a game earlier.
game is furniture items.
It's a Mario time.
So place them however and wherever you'd like.
It's actually a neat island though. That's cool. Oh no, Wario, he's scheming in the background.
What is he about to do?
It's a beaming time.
He's gonna pull lava down the warp pipe. Wait, what?
Hey,
Oh,
why not
Fast travel?
the Mushroom Kingdom?
Hey, yo.
Oh.
for what?
Fast travel.
A free update for
Yo!
which is February 25th.
Okay then.
After
That's actually dope.
Super Mario Brothers.
I like that.
will be available
Yeah,
for
that's
pre-order
kinda cool.
I like that,
starting March
actually.
1st.
I'm gonna play that for like 2 minutes.
Exactly.
But,
The official
Yeah.
Animal Crossing Twitter account
I'll
for
put
the
my
latest
2 minutes to that.
information.
Not gonna lie.
But did y'all see the new Pokemon game with the Mii's, bro? That shit was kind of clean. Ugh.
We hope you continue
Yeah,
enjoying
I already
life
did that
on your
already.
island.
Oh yeah, I'm at
Oh.
like 200 swords. 221 actually.
How was
So, you
that?
know, I'm somewhere right
These
now.
collaboration items will be released as part of the Super Mario Brothers 35th
Alright,
anniversary
cracking,
events.
bro. Don't
Please
disappoint me,
wait
bro. Come on, do better.
for their release.
Come on, show me how far in depth I'm gonna be.
Last week,
There's about to be some doo-doo ass, bro. Let's see.
for the
Come
Super
on.
Mario 3D World plus Bowser's Fury game.
Yeah.
We
Hey,
hope you enjoyed that Mario adventure.
hey.
Oh yeah, bro, that's an adventure in itself. I still don't know how to press the B button and
We
jump.
have
Not gonna
another
lie.
game to show you.
Hold on, bro. He could
Still don't know how to play that game.
I gotta show you something as well. I
could
did
drop some
something
crazy shit. Hold on.
Wait.
Josh, don't say shit. Just yell and scream. Don't say anything fucking out of the blue.
Hold on. What is this?
Oh, I think I know what this is. Okay.
This is
It's
no.
fucking Kingdom Hearts.
No.
Oh, no, it's not.
Is it?
No.
Oh, it's fucking
No, it's not.
Colors and
Never mind.
AIDS. For sure.
It's not anymore.
He leaves
The
us
hell
no
is that?
recourse. Sword.
Oh, it's not
Yeah, okay. It's a sequel to what's it called?
Are these the wages of loyalty?
I forgot what it was called.
Raised earth and burnt
Octopath?
Yeah, Octopath.
And no
Oh shit, it's Octopath too.
decide how we proceed.
The Electric Boogaloo.
I have to get Octopath too. I still want to get that.
Yeah, I still got the
At
Octopath.
this point now, Nintendo Direct is just a fucking sport. It's trying to see how far in debt I can go. It's
Oh,
like rolling the
bro.
dice with Satan, bro.
Y'all wait till the end until they start rapping that crazy shit.
This shit dead ass plays like Pokemon Conquest.
Y'all gotta
just
look
gotta
at
see-
the chat.
I
The
just gotta
chat
see
is
them in
so
debt.
toxic right now.
Look.
Papyrus for Smash. Jesus Christ.
How far deep in the end do we have to go?
Oh wow, we're only halfway through the direct too. Yeah, we're at the half-hour mark.
Though the hostilities
That's
ceased
worth the
under
50 minutes
Andre's
alone.
troops, decades
Salt
of
and iron!
of war threatened to
So
engulf
Iron
us
War
once
this
again.
shit is about to be dummy hype.
Salt and iron. Oh yeah.
I want to get Octopath on discount, but I can never find it on discount.
Josh, you died more times than I can count.
Am I dying? Am I dying now?
Yeah, you're still dying.
Oh, dang.
You're deep throating the mic, that's why.
Josh, down bad.
Am I not dying anymore?
Josh, I hope your mic sounds better.
Am I not dying anymore?
No, you're not now.
Yeah, I think you're good.
So does anybody actually think this stream is
You know what's a shame? This RPG style doesn't look too bad, but like...
It's like Pokemon Conquest.
It's ass, bro. This
Yeah.
stream is done.
I mean, I don't know.
Bro, they don't jump some crazy shit.
I'm trying to get into RPG games, but it's still kind of slow for me-ish. I feel like I gotta play a little bit more, bro, you know? Like, I'm not gonna give up.
All you need
on the
is
game.
The combat system is good.
So this direct consisted of another anime swordsman character and a game that I'm probably not gonna buy.
I mean, look, my guy, I'm trying to count how many more I can get. Alright?
You only get Mario Golf and then you're done, bro. There's no crazy shit.
Yeah, nah, Mario Golf was the peak. Mario Golf was the
That's
peak.
fine. That's fine. That's fine. Look, I don't need to be in debt any more than I have to be. Alright? I'm
Okay, well, I
chilling.
did see something called Super Mario History, though. Let's see what that's about. If that's fake or no.
The fucking Super Mario history.
I don't know, but I saw it being passed around. I mean, I don't think it's real or fake.
Mario History? Isn't that like a learning game?
I don't know. I don't
That
know.
sounds disgusting.
Alrighty.
Alrighty. Let's see if you want to learn a little bit of history. Alrighty? One mushroom. One up. Nice. I can't do Mario accent, I'm sorry.
This is something being passed around.
Yeah, this game is still going?
Yeah.
Alright.
Use information you've gathered to sway allies toward your favorite cause.
Damn. I'm sorry to tell you, Nintendo, but I am just not interested.
Like LOD 35 or...
Like, I'm not. I actually don't give a flying fuck.
Hold on, let me post something in general real quick.
Like the amount of like fucks I give right now, Nintendo is so I could be stone grinding on Dokkan right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, my G.
Yeah, matter of fact, you're right. I got some currency. Give me
The Dark Lord Stan!
Please be on the lookout for
Oh my god.
That's interesting.
After this presentation,
Oh, the Dark Lord Stan.
will be available to download.
That is the main villain.
Check general, bruh.
We'll conduct a survey to gather
Could be bullshit. Who knows? Who knows?
forward to hearing your responses.
Who does?
Could be bullshit, but who knows?
Oh my gosh.
Looks like bullshit, Doc.
Okay, let's see a few more Nintendo Switch headlines.
I really want to roast him so badly.
All hunters.
I want to roast him so badly.
This is Star Wars.
Star Trek?
Star Wars.
Star Wars, dumbass.
Star Trek.
Wow. Wow, nah, that was disrespectful.
Was it?
Am I the only one Star Wars fans in here? Or?
I'm not a Star Wars fan, but I respect the series.
Oh no, I'm a fanboy, so you're gonna hear me scream.
So, here's that Sonic game.
Sorry, bro. I didn't mean to offend people. My fault. My fault.
No! Is that the Bounty Hunters game?
Online game set
I think so.
between 6 and 7.
That might be
I
the
did not
Bounty
be
Hunters.
shooter, bro.
Bro, they made a Bounty Hunters game that got canceled like 4 fucking times.
What the fuck? Okay.
This better not be. Oh, I thought it was Raid Shadow Legends. Oh, it's Fortnite.
God, what is this?
It's Fortnite, I think.
Oh, it's fucking Fortnite.
That's League of Legends. No,
Oh, is it?
Not Fortnite.
I don't give a flying testicle.
Bro, this doesn't make sense. One character is from CS:GO, the other is from League of Legends. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, we're probably getting like a Blizzard thing.
Oh. Probably like a sandbox game type thing.
I'm gonna be on Shadow Dragon.
Yay! We're about to play some Mario History. Who's ready?
Mario History?
Oh yeah, bro.
Okay, the direct's getting overboard.
What is this? Wait, actually, what is this?
What even is it, bro?
Is this dodgeball?
Oh, what the fuck?
Is it?
Wait a minute.
It looks like dodgeball.
Are you?
Did he just
That it actually looks fun.
No, this could be Splatoon, bro.
Who did he give a concussion to? She's gonna get hit by the car!
Bro, that's that new Rocket League, bro. Look at it.
Oh wait, hold on.
Rocket League Part 2.
Hold on.
Rocket League, but
Is
no
this free?
car.
If this is free,
I
this
love
might be looking.
Your friend can become the ball.
Yo, y'all think the fat fuck is the one that used the Switch and
Oh,
handheld?
that new Rocket League looks
No.
Seriously? Why?
Okay, team. They may have
Oh, they
won the
died.
battle, but not the war.
Yo, doesn't that look like the girl from Wreck-It Ralph?
It does.
Yeah, it does.
Bro, Max Splinter from what's his name? Temple Run.
Yo, true.
Max Splinter's from Temple Run. That's literally his name.
Oh.
Knockout City.
I mean,
Oh.
it looks interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something.
This is the game. 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 This is the game.
What is this game?
The other game that the Danganronpa developer was making.
From the creators of the Danganronpa,
Yeah.
Wait, what?
comes a fight for your life.
530 days, bro.
Do not touch this game.
No way!
Do not
Here's a Danganronpa.
do not touch this game.
From
Don't-
the creators of Danganronpa. and-
Don't touch this game.
Why?
Cause it's a scam.
What do you mean?
It's not. They promoted it as a killing game. It's not.
You skip the theme park and get
Yo,
across
Sakura about to have a
Everyone
rough ass night,
set
bro.
off on a captivating journey across the theme park and side-scrolling action with suspenseful narrative. As you make your way back,
Yeah, they were like advertising it as it being a killing game, and it's not.
to overcome challenges and monsters that
Is it
stand
still
in your
good
way.
or is it still
What awaits
there?
you all at the end of your journey? For survival begins
It's from what I've heard, it's okay. It's like a very acquired taste.
May 28th.
That's a damn shame. You should just stuck with
Hours of Olympus with the physical release of
Yeah,
Hades.
no.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's sad.
The critically acclaimed dungeon
80s.
crawler
Guess I won't download it digitally.
game
How
of the year
many
award.
fucking directs is Hades gonna show up in? Can we talk about this? Like, I get it, it won't game of the year. You want to shove it down my fucking throat.
Knockout City.
Soundtrack. It's packed with 2.5 hours of blood-pumping music composed by Darren Korb, known for his work on previous Supergiant titles like Transistor and Bastion. The second is a 32-page full-color character compendium featuring portraits of the game's vibrant cast of gods, ghosts, and monsters, all by Supergiant's art director, Gen Z. And let's not forget the game itself, offering dozens of hours of exhilarating action paired with a compelling story. Escape the underworld again, or for the first time, with the physical version of Hades on March 19th. Escape the underworld again, or for the first time. 3 deadly action games, 1 masterful
I can't be
collection.
bothered by it.
Alrighty, come on, show me some shit.
Oh, Ninja Gaiden.
Gaiden Sigma.
Oh,
Ninja
my
Gaiden
God.
Sigma 2.
Oh, Ninja Gaiden.
Mhm.
Ninja Gaiden 3 Razor's Edge.
Might have to purchase.
Nintendo Switch as the action-packed Ninja
Yeah,
Gaiden
people were
Master
talking about him
Collection.
being in Smash.
Are they remastered? They kind of still all look like shit. What was that?
It looks more like an HD upscale.
With battle skills that are second to none. Wield an arsenal of
I'm
killer
like
weapons,
so
offering
excited right
always
now.
different set of
because,
lethal
like,
skills.
Are they not remastered? Why do these games still look like shit?
It's not remastered. It's more like an HD upscale.
Oh wow. Nah, fuck this. I'm not buying that. You lost me.
And team up with other super ninjas in your quest to fulfill your destiny. All previous downloadable content, including costumes and game modes, are
Can you give me a category lead?
What?
I don't think it's gonna be pick up my.
Sundown, man. Go ahead. Tell me what team.
Yeah, it's Final Trump card. I'm gonna try to do it.
Summer 2021.
Oh wait, are you doing the legendary Goku event?
No, I'm doing SPRs.
SPR?
More battles are
Oh,
coming to
battle.
Hyrule.
Okay, yeah, I was guessing Hyrule Warriors is gonna get DLC.
Wipe the floor with that, Lee.
Huh?
You should be able to wipe the floor with that last resort on that. That's not difficult.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. My teams are cracked.
Already.
Yeah.
Oh, is this the new Zelda
Heroes
game?
Calamity?
No, it's the Warriors game.
What is it?
No, he was talking about Knockout City.
I'm surprised we haven't been getting a lot of Zelda.
So no, he's still watching.
Surprising. What is this guy?
What is this about?
Like, golly.
Yep.
I went towards that first. I got a part of that.
Character.
There's even more coming to Nintendo Switch.
Whoa, really?
Bravely Default 2 is almost
Oh,
here.
is this the end?
4 Heroes of Light
Cool!
soon
What
embark
is
on
it?
a journey to restore the crystals.
Yeah.
Use the job system to develop your characters and master the Brave and Default communities to emerge victorious in turn-based battles. Veterans and newcomers to the series can enjoy this brand new story on February 26th. A new trailer for Bravely Default 2 will be revealed following this presentation. The game can be pre-ordered on Nintendo eShop. An updated demo is also available.
Oh, okay.
Honestly, this is
Okay,
good,
thank
though.
God it's not.
The latest installment in the legendary Ghosts and
I'm looking
Goblins
pretty chill
series
right now,
comes
dude.
to
This is
life
looking
as
like
the Brave
okay.
Knight Arthur
This is
will
not a
unleash
bad
weapons, spells, and skills
Oh,
to battle monsters across
hey,
challenging
hey,
stages
hey,
of the
You
Demon
didn't
World.
help. Fuck you.
Local
You didn't
co-op
actually
play
beat
is
it.
also
Beat it
available
again.
for the
No, I
first
know that
time.
him
Help
'cause he was
Arthur in
trying
his
to
quest
catch
with
up
one of
from
3 supporting characters.
It's mad funny, bro. Once you beat Ghosts and Goblins, bro, like at the end of the game, it just tells you, "Fuck you. You didn't actually beat the game." No, we didn't.
Oh,
Swear to
yeah.
God, that's the whole idea.
Nintendo eShop.
It's just
Sonic 06 in a nutshell.
ah.
8
It does,
protagonists,
but
8 captivating journeys. Saga Frontier has been remastered for Nintendo
You know,
Switch.
you technically
Travel
can't even
through a
beat the
stunning
game because the game doesn't even
sci-fi
exist.
world with protagonists, each with their own stories. With the addition of the playable protagonist Fuse, new gameplay
Yeah.
features, exhilarating
I'm
battles,
just waiting for
and a
the
new
big
scenario for the
They
protagonist
know people-
himself.
people
gonna
Saga
Smash.
Frontier
They said at the beginning of
Remastered
Smash
is an
and
adventure
then
not to be missed. The
It's
game
there.
launches April
They've done it
15th.
before with the ending.
Apex
Bro, we got 9 minutes, bro.
Nintendo
What
Switch.
is
Apex
This
Legends.
Battle Royale features a growing roster
Damn, it's
of
already
powerful contenders
5:41.
named Legends.
It is.
Combat,
I'm
cross-platform
not
play,
sure that's
and
gonna
more.
run like
All
crap.
players on Nintendo Switch can get an all-new legendary Pathfinder
Sure as
skin
hell doesn't feel like
and
it.
30 free
Yo,
levels
Lee.
in the Season 8
Lee.
Battle Pass. Plus, for the first
These
2 weeks of
graphics
the
look
month,
trash!
earn double XP when you play
Oh
on
my
Nintendo
God, the
Switch.
game looks like garbage. What the fuck?
What am I looking
Apex
at,
Legends
dude?
enters the fray March 9th.
This looks like trash!
Is this
Going so far.
Apex?
Yeah.
There's still a little bit
Yeah,
more
bro. I was
I know,
always
I'm
wondering how the fuck that game was gonna run,
So
bro.
we hope you'll
Jesus
stick with
Christ.
us. Next, please take a look at this.
Is there
What am I looking at?
Hit the red.
What more do you have to show?
Oh! Oh!
I'm AG.
Oh, wait, don't say anything! Don't say anything, because I have
I'm sure a
yet
lot
to
of
get
you
in.
saw
Oh,
me and thought there might be news about the sequel to The Legend of Zelda.
Yes!
wait,
Unfortunately, we don't have anything to share.
Okay.
We apologize.
One of two things.
Development is proceeding smoothly. We don't have anything to share. Should be able to bring you some new information this
oh,
year.
okay.
Okay.
We'll have to ask you to wait just a bit longer.
Should be able to bring you some new information this year.
Okay.
While you're all waiting,
For now,
however,
we'll have
this
to ask
Legend
you
of
to
Zelda
wait
game will
just a
be
bit
coming to
longer.
Nintendo Switch.
Okay.
Please take a look.
That's
While
fine.
you're all waiting, however, this Legend of Zelda game will be coming to Nintendo Switch.
No!
Take a look.
LOZ 3.
Yes!
That's fine. That's fine.
What is that?
I like you
Bro,
were sincere.
Guys, shut up!
Skyward Sword!
Skyward Sword!
Yes!
Oh We don't need the Wii U anymore. Bye. We killed it off. GG.
I thought you Wind Waker. Fuck off.
GG. We don't need you, Wii U.
I need Wind Waker.
We buy, bitch. We buy.
Oh, please let the motion controls be so much better.
Bro, the whole idea of the Switch is just making the Wii U irrelevant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep.
This game, okay.
We never needed it.
Bro, this whole
There's still a handful of games that we need ported on here, though.
In 2011,
That's it, lads. We did it. We killed the Wii U.
No, we didn't.
We killed it.
No, we didn't.
Zelda Skyward
There's like 5 more games.
Players would
Wait, what games are not ported?
We still need Wind Waker.
With the increased
We need a couple more games, honestly. I gotta go back to the Wii U catalog, but there's a lot of games that we're missing.
Oh, it's still using the
I thought we killed the Wii U
and we've
already.
recreated the controls for the sword and the shield
I thought this was the final piece of the puzzle.
No.
The Joy-Con
Oh, it's so much better.
is the
By
sword.
having the player hold 2
Swing
Joy-Cons.
it to have Link swing his sword in the game.
Bro, what can he announce, bro? This
On
is
your left
dead.
hand is the shield. By lifting the controller, you
There's no way
can
they
raise
made
the
it from-
shield to block enemy
Look, all
attacks.
you-
That's cool.
In your left hand is the shield.
You can perform other actions like using both controllers to wield a bow and arrow. These physical movements add a sense
never
of
played that with
urgency.
swords.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Using both controllers to wield a
But
bow and
we've
arrow.
also made it
These
possible
physical
to play the
movements
game
add a
with
sense of
button
urgency
controls.
and
Okay, cool.
Played in handheld mode.
I kind of want to go back and see how bad that Apex gameplay
After
was.
mulling over how to assign different gameplay elements to different buttons, we decided to apply the
Great.
sword motions to
After
tilting the
mulling
right
over how
control
to
stick.
assign different gameplay elements to different buttons, we decided to apply the sword motions to tilting the right
Tilt the
control
stick down when you want to swing the sword downward. To swing to the right,
Tilt
to
the
the
stick
left,
down when you want
or
to swing the
diagonally.
sword downward.
just tilt the stick in the
Swing
respective
to the
direction.
right, the left, or diagonally.
Here's
Just tilt
something
the
else
stick
we've
in
been
the
working on.
respective direction.
Fucking done, bro. There's less.
Yeah.
The right
Here's something
Joy-Con.
Oh, those look amazing!
Ah, there
Left
goes
Joy-Con
I
your
love
piloting
that.
shield.
Oh boy!
The Legend
That-
of Zelda
that
Skyward Sword
doesn't-
as the game depicting
I
the
love
greatest
that.
story.
Stop showing us controllers! I don't want to buy more controllers!
Creation of the Master Sword itself.
I bought this one.
We hope that people who played the original game on Wii and those playing it for the first time will enjoy discovering the origins of The Legend of Zelda.
People who played the original game on Wii and those playing it for the first time will enjoy
July
the
16th.
Legend of
Okay.
Zelda Skyward Sword HD launches July 16th. Following this Nintendo Direct,
Legend of
you'll be
Zelda
able to
Skyward Sword
pre-order the
HD
game on
launches
Nintendo
July
eShop.
16th.
And the specially designed Joy-Con
Following
controllers
this
Oh,
will
God,
match your
my
game's
father's
release
really
date at your
good.
local
Ooh.
Many of you may already know
And the
this, but
specially
The Legend
designed
of Zelda
Joy-Con
Skyward
controllers
Sword
will
was
launch
the
the
last
game's
original
release date
console
at your
game
local
prior to
retailer.
The Legend of Zelda
Many of
Breath
you
of
may
the
already
Wild,
know this,
and
but
it
the
was still
Legend of
following
Zelda
the
you feel
established
excited, bro?
conventions of The Legend of Zelda. However, it
Feel
provided glimpse
excited?
into many features and
Wild
innovations
game.
Am I
that
feel-
would
am I feeling
eventually
what?
be adopted
You
in The
feel
Legend of
excited,
Zelda
bro.
Breath of the Wild.
However,
Excited?
A sail cloth
Yes,
to
bro.
descend in midair.
I don't.
A stamina
be
cage
adopted
that
into
I'm
depleted as you
playing
scaled
Joy-Con, dude.
walls with vines.
Even the sailcloth can stand in
Even the
midair.
concept of collecting
The
items
stamina
to
cage
upgrade
I'm
gear.
trying to grind some stones
I
right
hope
now.
those
my
of
dude.
you who've played The
It's
Legend of
bad.
Zelda
Save
Breath
it
of
for
the
that
Wild
6-bit
give this
version.
game a
Yeah.
try as well.
Oh yeah, bro.
I hope those of
I'm
you
looking
who
pretty
played
good
The
too
Legend
and
of
stuff.
Zelda Breath of the Wild
What you
give
got?
this game a try as well.
100 something.
And I could
Please
have had
look forward to
100.
The Legend of Zelda
And that
Skyward
new
Sword
turtle better
HD.
drop.
All right.
I'm not
Please
sure if I
give
should
it-
spend on it.
Alright, so it wasn't a collection, but
Well, what did you think?
Is that the
The
end?
Legend of Zelda
I was really
Skyward
hoping that was a
Sword
collection.
has been optimized for Nintendo Switch.
Damn, that shit was so hype, bro.
Including
Like,
intuitive motion
snap it
controls
up, bro.
and button
Skyward
controls
Sword
by
has
tilting
been
the right
optimized
control
for
stick.
Nintendo Switch.
But that's good though. That does
Okay,
need to get ported to
the
the
next
Switch.
game will be our
That needs to
last
get ported.
announcement for today.
Yeah, dude.
Please take a look at this.
okay.
Okay. The
What
next
this?
game
What?
will be our last
Oh.
announcement
What?
for today.
Josh, stay quiet.
Take a look at this.
I'll try.
Yeah, Josh, shut up. Don't say anything.
Yo! No way.
Mario?
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
This is Mario.
Alright.
This is Mario.
Here we go. Man, what are y'all screaming at? Oh, and that's Splatoon 3. Jesus.
Yes! Let's go! Let's go!
No! No!
It's time! It's time! It's time! It's time! It's time! It's a bow! It's a bow!
They actually made Splatoon 3!
You get a pet? You get a pet salmon? Now is this a story mode or is this full-blown Splatoon 3?
Dude, I was like, I'm not paying any money.
Wait.
add a custom character to this like.
Yeah, it's just probably it's probably an additional Splatoon. That's all it is.
No, this is not DLC.
Gotta be 3.
Yes, Rob, it's DLC.
This is not DLC, Lee.
I'm killing.
It's gotta be the 3rd game.
Pay for money. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
That's not DLC, Lee.
No, it's DLC.
That's an entire new city in the background. That's not DLC.
Lee, it's $60.
It's DLC. I'm not. I don't have to pay for. I don't have to waste my money.
Lee, 60.
No, it's not 60. It's not. Don't say 60.
Lee,
Don't say
60 right now.
Don't say 60.
Bro, I'm 60 ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Take my money. Take my money.
You'll not pre-order this
DLC. It's fine. It's fine. It's DLC. It's DLC. It's DLC. It's chilling.
Yes! Oh, that looks great. Oh, that looks great. Are we in Mad Hatter now? Oh no, this is Tokyo. This is Tokyo. Ooh.
That's nice DLC.
Lee, it's Splatoon 3. It's Splatoon 3. It's Splatoon 3.
Hey.
It's good DLC. It's DLC. I'm liking this DLC. This is good DLC. Hey, HD.
There we go.
Yo!
That is good DLC.
What did I say? I predicted this. I said Splatoon 3.
We go.
I'm satisfied. I'm happy. I'm happy.
You're in the remix.
Oh, I'm going broke. Oh, my money.
Bro, they should announce Galaxy 3.
Bro.
Yeah, they could have announced Galaxy 3 for
So mad. I'm so mad.
2022.
I was undeclared.
Wait, whoa, that was 2022.
2022.
Fellas, that was 2022. You got time, Lee. You got time.
Oh, fake fuck. I was scared as shit. I was scared.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna lie. I was scared as hell. I was actually scared. Okay. I'm liking what I see. I'm liking that. That shit made the entire direct. I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm gold. I am. Yes. Yes. I'm right.
Today's Nintendo Direct.
Bro.
Oh, fuck yes.
Bro.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
I get so worried.
Oh.
That Nintendo Direct was a marathon, honestly.